Hi there, in today's video I'm going to be showing you 6 different items that I purchased from Wish. If you're not sure what Wish is an app that you can purchase many different things from. So we'll unpackage this package to see what's inside each of these packages. Most times when I order something off of Wish, it takes anywhere from a couple weeks to a few months for things to arrive. And lately I noticed they've been packaging a lot of things together in one package so items don't get lost in the mail. This first package has a glow-in-the-dark stone pendant necklace in it. It's a moonstone quartz crystal. This item was $2.71 and $2 shipping. Now, depending on each seller that you purchase from, and sellers do change, they may be different prices. So I can't say what the price will be when you purchase yours. There won't be any links provided as this is not a sponsored video. These are just items that I purchased. And if you'd like to purchase any of these, you can go to the Wish app or shop online. If you're looking for these necklaces, they're called stone pendants. So next I purchased a opal with silver chain. This one was free and shipping was $4. And with this one, it was also free with $4 shipping. This one has a silver chain as well with a pink stone. This necklace is the pink quartz. These necklaces do come in different colors depending on which seller you're purchasing from. Also, price is all different on every one that sells. Next here we have a pop-up socket. Wish calls it a phone holder stand finger grip. So you attach these to the back of your phone so you can hold on to your phone better. They have a 3M sticker to attach easily. This item looks like a kitty paw, and it's made out of a rubber. Next we have a butterfly ring holder. This also is for the back of your cell phone to make it easier holding on to your phone. It has a 360-degree rotation. I thought this butterfly was pretty cute. Wish has many different designs. And again, all sellers are always different in prices. So depending on the item that you're purchasing and who you're buying from, prices will vary. This butterfly was free with $4 shipping. So it all depends what you're really looking for, as these two cell phone holders are quite different. Just depends on what you like. And here's a closer look of the stone pendants. So we'll open this up so you can have a better look. It feels very soft to the touch, and it's just like a little rubber silicone material that pops right up, so you can hold it in between your fingers. Next, we'll open this one up so you can take a better look at it. So it said that the ring was metal, but the butterfly is plastic. I've never had a problem on these phone holders from Wish, as I'd ordered a few. You can see in other videos some of the other ones that I have purchased before. You can find more videos on my playlists, either at product reviews or at the Wish. So this one came a little bit later, and it's not in the same package, but I included it in this video anyways. This item is dog paw prints that you can stick onto your car. I guess you can also put them on your laptop or books, anywhere you want to really stick them. These ones are silver. You can also order these in red, gold, and black. I guess just depending on what color you like and what color your vehicle is. I find these actually stick quite well to your vehicle, but make sure before you stick them on, where you're going to stick them, the area is clean. This item was $2 and $2 shipping. You can see here they're very thin. So feel free to stick around for some more Wish openings. If you want to see more videos, check out my playlist, Wish. If you have not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button for all new videos. And remember to click the notification bell to be notified for each and every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.